Previous period we have completed all the notes or whatever the commands, figures related to procedure. We have completed all the notes or everything about the procedure. Now again we are going to revise the commands like PU. What do you mean by PU? See here, PU means pen up. What is the use of that PU? Means it will move your turtle in any direction. You can say in the forward or you can say in the backward also, but it does not draw any line. Or we can say one another thing like it means it lifts up the pen up, like whenever teacher used to say like you just take out your pencil, that action is only called as the PU. Means, or we can say it leaves a gap in between the letters. As I said, if I want to draw 2 letters, 3 letters, you have learned all these things, isn't it? You learned all these figures, how to draw 2 letters now, 3 letters. Means here again, if you want to leave some gap in between the letters, at that time we have to use this PU command. Getting it, all of you? Just now I am going to revise all the commands, okay? I know that you have completed all the figures like two summons, 2 letter figures, 3 letter figures. You did all this very well, isn't it? But again, I want to revise you all this commands. Getting it? Now, next, as about just now told about the PU. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. That is that is PD. What do you mean by PD? PD means pen down. Okay, PD means pen down. The full form of PU is pen up and the full form of PD is pen down. Okay, what is the use of that PD command? Now just now as I just now we have seen like PU means it moves the turtle in any direction, isn't it? But again, if you want to start drawing lines on the screen, like if I said you are just draw like T and L on the screen, isn't it? Now you have completed the T, but again, if I want to draw the next letter on the screen, that time which command you have used? Yes, you used command PU. Now again, I want to start drawing lines again, means I have completed with the T. Now I want to draw L on the screen, isn't it? Now again, to start drawing lines on the screen, again we have to use this command PD, okay? Means again after using like PU, means after again PD, you have to specify in which direction, or we can say in which means ahead. If you want to go ahead, then you have to use as usual FD, and if you want to go back, then again you have to use like BK command, okay? Now always you have to specify after this PU and PD. Means परत एकदा सांगते, after using them again, if you are not going to use like this PU, and then again your turtle goes in the forward or backward direction, afterwards again you have to specify the same like PD also. After using PD, again you have to specify if you want to go ahead or if you want to go back, that always you want to specify. Now the next command, that is PE. What do you mean by PE? Pen erase. Okay, pen erase. Why we have to use this command? Say if you do something wrong while drawing, then only, as I said, you have to use this command. Unless and until, no need to use this command. As I while writing, if you did mistake, I use karda, obviously you are going to use eraser. The same way, if you did the mistake, then only you have to use this command. But like PU and PD, again you have to specify like about the FD and BK, okay? And then again means in front of, like suppose if you want to draw means unwanted line is placed on the forward side. So you have to specify like P and then FD and whatever the number, okay? The same way like PU, then BK, and again specify the number, how many steps of lines you want to erase it, okay? Now I hope you are getting it very well about now PU, PD and PE, isn't it? Now the next is, that is the most important, like what is it called as? Repeat. Okay, see what do you mean by repeat? You know it very well. Now again, when we are going to use this repeat command, it means this command you can use to avoid the repetition of writing verb. Now say for the example, if I want to draw square on the screen, isn't it? If I want to draw this square on the screen, now here there are four sides are there, isn't it? Now when we are going to start with the commands like FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, these commands are repeated a number of figures in this figure. So instead of writing all these commands, you can use here, yes, repeat command, isn't it? Now you're getting it very well. What do you mean by the repeat? Repeat म्हणजे एकदम साधा मिनिंग काय आहे? परत परत. जसं तुम्ही एकदा आणखीन एक एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं तुम्हाला ना, टीचर्स सेड और युअर पॅरेंट्स सेड की जस्ट बाय हॅट ऑल दिस अप, then what you did actually think, तुम्ही काय करत होता, you go on writing or you are go on reading the same lines or we can say काही जे आन्सर असेल ते परत परत आपण वाचत राहतो कुठपर्यंत, तोपर्यंत आपल्याला येत नाही, हो की नाही? द सेम वे हियर इन दिस लँग्वेज when we have to use this command, if the commands are repeated a number of times, then only you can use repeat command. Now say for this figure, okay, can you going to try this repeat command over here? No, because here the commands are not repeated. Now the next part is you can use repeat command at any means कुठे जिथे पाहिजे असेल. Now for this example here in this figure you are not able to draw this figure, means use repeat command, but here in this figure you can use repeat command. Why? See now these three sides are, or you can say lines are same, so you can use repeat command, isn't it? So this command avoids your writing verb, isn't it? कळलं इथपर्यंत हे काय आहे रिपीट कमांड. नंतर आपण काय केलं होतं रिपीट कमांड. येस, वी यूज दिस रिपीट कमांड इन अवर प्रोसिजर ऑल्सो, isn't it? जस्ट नो आत्ताच आपण हे ट्राय केलेलं आहे ऑल दिस रिपीट कमांड. सी जस्ट आय एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज. हे परत परत मी का सांगते की ह्या कमांड खूप आधी झालेल्या आहेत आपल्या, त्यामुळे जस्ट आय एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज ऑल दिस commands once again to you. I hope you are getting it very well about this PU, PD and PE and then repeat also. Okay, with the help of repeat you did many figures like square, then both the rectangles. Why? Because again their commands are repeated. Now say the next example we have tried like some of the letters like P, then C, then U, isn't it? Just P's opposite, you can say 9 number or you can say ulta P also. There also we use this PU command, isn't it? Now the next part we have just learned like yes, sided figure like triangle, then yes, square, pentagon, hexagon and most of this yes, circle. So we will be getting all these figures with the help of repeat command, isn't it? Means only one time you have to use this command and you will get this figure, means you are getting your figure on the screen, isn't it? Means आपलं काय वाचलंय, लिहिण्याचा वेळ आहे तो खूप वाचला, isn't it? आणि आपल्याला तीच फिगर पटकन मिळाली आहे किंवा पटकन स्क्रीनवर डिस्प्ले झाली आहे, isn't it? सो यू कॅन जस्ट ही आपण केलेलं आहे ते परत एकदा परत नसेल आलं तर दिस व्हिडिओ यू कॅन रिकलेक्टेड की मला परत जर का विसरला गेला असाल तर त्याच्यासाठी ह्या परत मी प्लेस केलेला आहे, म्हणजे ह्या कमांड्स परत सांगितलेल्या आहेत. आय होप नाव यू आर गेटिंग इट व्हेरी वेल.